Hi, my name is Chayanun, and this is the final presentation of EE489. And I'm going to present about a topic in my seminar papers, which is how augmented reality transformed the fitness industry. Eventually, all countries will have the AR experience every day. Almost like eating 3 meals a day, it will become that much a part of you. This quote is said by Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple. He was convinced AR was the future, and so do I. As AR have started to appear and has introduced in some industry, such as healthcare, retail, and entertainment, it makes me wonder of its potentials, and it led me to the hypothesis that augmented realities will transform fitness industry in terms of performance, experience, and engagement in a positive and effective ways. On the right hand side is the research objective, which is the outcome that I aim to get from conducting research. Moving to the limitation, digital natives are the generation that is focused in these studies, and the study relies on secondary source, meaning that we might lack the opportunities to get more insights and more understanding about the impact of AR on fitness industry. Also, AR implications are not related to the fitness industry, might not be taken into account. Augmented reality has been developing for over the past few years, but seem to not reach the mass market due to the technology limitations. However, with the technological developments, augmented reality seem to bring more additional values to the companies and deliver new ways of experience to consumers. Pokemon Go and Snapchat are the example of success in entertainment and gaming industry that use AR. AR is believed to become the new technologies that going to transform the way how we learn, make decisions, and interactions. First, let me explain what augmented reality is. Augmented realities or AR present digital information objects or media in the real world through a mobile device or headset. It provides interactive and 3D experience connecting the physical and digital world. Real-time interaction, 3D registration, and real and virtual combination are the three main characteristics that AR require. The lower figures is an example of AR camera that show how it works. When showing the object like Taj Mahal through the camera lens of AR-based devices, the related information of Taj Mahal will be displayed to the user, which is similar to how AR works on Pokemon Go. Moving to the fitness industry. Fitness industry is considered as a club good. It is a network service that is incredible and non-viral, which is it can be consumed by multiple consumers, but the service are limited for membership. It is one of the industry that deliver many services for members, such as personal trainers, group fitness classes. Also, fitness generates network activity, which means that the more members in the gym studio, the more popular of the gym, since people tend to have motivation and engagement to work out at the gym as they can see other fitness activities. Consider that we live in digital societies where technology is evolving. The first big wave of AR was shown in the fitness industry, as AR wearable technologies is used in the gym. The fitness tracker smartwatches, since it can boost their performance and keep them motivated. It is implied that the potential of adopting AR-based devices such as AR headset into fitness industry. Also, with the impact of COVID-19, industry gradually moving to the hybrid gym experience of in-person and virtual fitness classes. For the literature review, there are mainly 4 topics that I conduct for literature review, which help me to build my knowledge in the areas of AR technologies, as well as realize the potential of transforming fitness industry in terms of performance, engagement, and experience. For the AR development, AR has remarkable development that change the way we work, live, and play. The AR application has increased efficiency across industry, from education to healthcare. Today, most AR applications are delivered via mobile phones, but there is increasing trend expanding to the hand-free wearable devices. Next is the fitness industry and the problems. Even though people know that gym provide a health benefit and life-changing value proposition to members, but there are retention issues, members lack of motivation and engagement. Considering the benefits and a characteristic of AR, it seems like AR has the potential to contribute positive impact to fitness. Tackle with the issue by enhancing user experience into interactive and engaging way and allow members to enjoy smart workout. Also, there is the cost of AR that needs to be considered. For the technology adoption, there will be the high cost of development since there are many factors to consider, such as the software and hardware costs, and there might be the hidden costs as well. Next is the data analysis and interpretation. In terms of service augmentation, AR is the smart technology that changes the way we live, communication, and experience. To point out, the retail industry has adopted AR in their service delivery strategies, and the adoption seems to increase positive customer experience rather than pushing customer to purchase. For example, AR provided experience with virtual dressing room or trying on clothes, which allow customers to try on items virtually with their AR applications on mobile phone. AR enable producers to create alternative channels, delivering the service and meet the demand of customers. With the AR adoption, it can be implied that fitness industry can perform better and more effectively as a pro with providers, improve quality of service and increasing engagement. Traditional technique of service delivery of fitness industry will be improved and integrated by the new technology system via AR-based devices. According to the Experience Economy book that written by Gilmore, the authors describe the progress of economic values, starting from the left, which is the lowest value economic offerings, to the highest one. Fitness industry has relied on the delivery of service like personal training, group fitness classes. Gilmore said that as the society and economy evolve, each change customer needs and want, the trend of customer is shifting toward the state of transformation, which go beyond their normal good and service. It is important for companies to start offering the strong and lasting experience and transformation to become more competitive over others. Considering the AR adoption in fitness business, the technology has potential allowing fitness business to move to the state of transformation or the ultimate economic offerings provide the experience, guiding members to change and achieve their aspiration to the state of transformation. With the AR features and benefit, fitness industry will be able to improve three significant phases. For the first one, the state of diagnosing consumer aspirations. AR will allow the team to screen clients more accurately to understand what their goals are and what achievement of goal mean to them. Second, the state of transforming experience to help clients planning program of their exercise monitor their progress. AR offer the experience of training sessions that they want to repeat rather than avoid, providing members with a more motivating workout experience with immersive features. Lastly, the following through state AR technologies help members to track and measure their process, ensuring their constant progress. Fitness business offer the two-part tariff, different price to different types of customers, charging customer an entry price for the service and extra usage price. The problem is that customers are less likely to pay more for an extra usage if the total cost outweighs the benefits. Eventually, producers will lose opportunity to get profit maximization and others benefits. AR technologies allow price discrimination to happen by providing the unique solution to fitness members, changing the perception and meet their need and interest. It's great incentive for members to pay more with the exclusive and personalized service. According to the survey, 40% of respondents expressed their willingness to pay for the AR product or service. It's implied that AR has the ability to induce the purchase intention and increase consumer spending. Next is the AR benefits and cost analysis. First, let's consider the cost as the fitness business provide a hybrid gym experience to members to meet the demand in digital fitness. They have to implement the AR application and board the AR headsets. The cost includes software costs and hardware costs, and there might be the hidden costs like the maintaining costs and other costs. On the other side, if consider the benefit of AR, AR will help fitness business gain competitive advantage in the market, provide the opportunity for producers to gain more revenue, and deliver additional value of service to customers. The case study in broader industry have shown the success and ability of AR technology, such as in gaming industry, making interactive and engagement that merge the virtual world with the real one. It is generally agreed that AR has potential to deliver additional value to business. The big market players like Apple and Microsoft have started investing in AR, leading to the economy of scale for fitness industry, increasing production and lowering costs. Plus, there are positive projection of AR market value in the futures. In this slide, there are positive forecasts on economic contribution of AR, as well as the GDP and employment boost by AR technologies. It can be implied that AR has a bright future ahead, since AR can add value to the economy, provide a broad range of opportunity for business. There is the high opportunities that benefit will outweigh the cost. To sum up, ARs will transform fitness industry in positive and effective ways. In terms of performance, experience, and engagement, there is a bright future that using AR deliver the unique and engaging experience in fitness ahead, reaching its potential and create more value to the consumer, society, and economies. There is a high possibility that the benefit of AR adoption in fitness industry will outweigh the cost, considering the expected growth AR market globally. GDP, employment boost, and customer perception toward AR. For the recommendation, in order to be successful, the user perception toward AR technology is critical, like getting user exception toward the new technologies in fitness industry. For example, the features of AR application should be useful, compelling, and enjoyable for user, meet the need and preference of customers. Further developments and R&D research are needed with the support of government. It will allow industry to develop new knowledge technique in effective way, which will benefit to economy and all. That's all for the presentation. Thank you.